Morning, this is a quick update for Spectre Paranormal. They've been asking us about a hot, cold style detector. I think this is something similar to what I'm looking for, guys. So, if I blow cold air, the LED will just turn to red. And likewise, if I breathe hot air, and it'll flip to red. Hopefully I think I got that the right way round. So it'll blue, and as it warms back up, the blue will dim, and it'll turn to red. And then the blue comes on brighter, so the blue will dim. I'm not actually touching the thermistor, just actually putting my body heat nearer to it. So hopefully this will be coming to infrared.co.uk. Within, I'd say, a month or two, so probably be May, June 2019.